Ever felt like your moments of intimacy stalled due to erectile dysfunction? Don't lose hope. In this video, we'll explore reliable natural remedies to fix ED permanently without relying solely on medical treatments, which more than often have pitfalls. Get ready to regain confidence, rekindle intimacy, and rediscover bedroom bliss. Gentlemen, take charge. Hit subscribe button and prepare to rise. Let's embark on this journey together as we uncover the crux of the matter. First, let's delve deeper into the intricate web of factors contributing to ED. ED isn't a singular villain but a complex interplay of physical and psychological elements. It spans from conditions like obesity, sleep apnea, prostate cancer, atherosclerosis, stroke, heart disease, and high blood pressure to anatomical irregularities such as Peyronie's disease. Hormonal imbalances, nerve damage from diabetes, spinal cord injuries, or multiple sclerosis are significant contributors. Furthermore, medication side effects and psychological stressors like anxiety, depression, substance abuse, and relationship difficulties play their roles. It's usually a mix of these factors working together. Therefore, seeking professional guidance becomes pivotal for an accurate diagnosis and tailored treatment. Enter the pivotal player, nitric oxide. Picture this: when arousal strikes, nitric oxide works its magic, relaxing arteries, veins and nerves in the penis. This relaxation allows a rush of blood into the two spongy chambers known as corpora cavernosa. Simultaneously, penile veins narrow, trapping blood within, resulting in that desirable penile rigidity and elongation. Nitric oxide isn't just a signal, it orchestrates the crucial blood flow necessary for an erection. But that's not all. Nitric oxide isn't just a one-trick pony. It boosts blood flow to the testes, influences testosterone levels, and even curtails stress hormones like cortisol. This delicate balance of higher testosterone and lower cortisol levels is the cornerstone for a robust healthy erection. So, how do we bolster nitric oxide levels naturally and put an end to ED for good? Let's explore the strategies at our disposal. 1. Supercharge with superfoods. Foods rich in nitrates, like leafy greens such as lettuce, bok choy, and spinach, along with beets and celery, facilitate the conversion of nitrates into nitric oxide, NO. This nitric oxide assists in vasodilation, relaxing smooth muscles, and improving blood flow to the testis and penis. Beetroot or beetroot juice, for instance, has been linked to a rapid increase in NO levels, promoting better circulation within a fleeting moment. Additionally, antioxidant-rich foods like pomegranate, carrots, citrus fruits, and dark chocolate contain compounds such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenol. These compounds shield endothelial cells from free radicals, supporting nitric oxide levels in various body organs. Foods abundant in L-arginine, such as chicken, turkey, oily fish, almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds, provide this essential amino acid necessary for nitric oxide production. Watermelon, containing L-citrulline, which converts into L-arginine, also contributes to nitric oxide production. Furthermore, garlic contains compounds that stimulate blood flow and nitric oxide synthase enzyme activity, indirectly supporting NO levels in the body. 2. Exercise your way to elevation. Introducing regular physical activity into your regimen is crucial for curtailing erectile function. Here is a roundup of essential exercises to include in your fitness regimen. A. Pelvic floor/Kegel exercises. These exercises focus on strengthening the bulbocavernosus muscle, crucial for erection, ejaculation, and urination. Activities like quick flicks, bridge exercises, squats, and inner thigh squeezes target this muscle group effectively. B. Pilates exercises focusing on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness are beneficial in addressing ED concerns. Exercises such as knee fallouts and supine foot raises are particularly effective in this regard. C. Regular aerobic workouts, done at least 4 times a week for 40 minutes per session for a period of 6 months, have shown efficacy in combating ED. Aerobic activities like running, cycling, rowing, and brisk walking are recommended. 3. Power of breathing. Nasal breathing, yes, something as simple as that, can elevate nitric oxide levels naturally. As air passes through the nasal passages, it triggers the release of nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels, boosts oxygen uptake, and supports overall bodily functions. 4. Mind your lifestyle. Keep a close eye on sugar intake, alcohol consumption, and stress levels. High sugar intake promotes atherosclerosis and impedes NO production, while excess alcohol can hinder nitric oxide synthesis. Stress causes an increase in cortisol levels, which also can inhibit nitric oxide production. 5. Rejuvenate with rest. Quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours promotes production of nitric oxide. During deep sleep, levels of stress hormones, cortisol drop, enhancing nitric oxide synthase activity. This supports better blood circulation, especially in endothelial cells, fostering nitric oxide creation and facilitating cellular repair processes, enhancing blood flow and nutrient delivery to tissues. Overall, embracing a well-balanced diet, consistent exercise, nasal breathing, quality sleep, and avoiding refined sugar, alcohol, and stress can effectively elevate nitric oxide levels, assisting in the treatment of ED. Hey gentlemen! This is beyond mere physicality. It's about ascending to your true potential as a man. So, are you prepared to take on this challenge? Feel free to comment, like, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and get ready to elevate. Thank you for tuning in.